Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a border to an existing text box in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add border to an existing text box. Click the text box. Now we can see here not border to this existing text box. Now we want to add border. Click the text box and go to the shape format menu. Now we can see here many options. We find and select the shape outline. Here the shape outline. Now we choose any color. Now I select the red color. Then we can see we add a border to this existing text box very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.